Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to make an illusion. So I will be doing it. So let's get started. I will be using this microphone. And first thing we need to do is take a scale and take any multiple of 3. Like here I'm going to take 18 and make a line of 18 centimeter. Yes, 18 centimeter. Be sure it's proper cause it's gonna matter a lot. Okay, we are done. So we'll divide 18 by 2. It's 9. So on 9 centimeter we gonna make a point which will be center of the line, and then we're gonna make 9 centimeter from both the sides and make a plus kind of thing. So 9 centimeter from here. Yes, so that it will look good. Okay, proper. This is a micron of 5 which I'm using. Okay, 9. So it's a plus kind of. It's looking a bit slanted, but it's okay. No problem at all. Just all the lines should be straight to each other. They may be tilted on the paper, but they must be straight on the straight with each other. So we're gonna take a pencil and mark 1 centimeter dots on everywhere. Yes, so
I'm done marking
we will do it. I'm done with it.
Just 1 centimeter.
Pause the video and I'm done. You can see the dots as 1 centimeter each. So what we're gonna do now is just take a. Be sure to do the thing properly, cause one mistake will matter a lot. So I'm gonna just go with micron. You can use pencil first, but I don't like to use it. I just likes to go directly with micron. So I will take a micron and connect this first dot. Means the dot.
So what we're gonna do is
First dot on this line.
this
Dot
on this line
with the. Hey, we can say it is the last dot. The last dot with the first dot.
or you can say this
There.
is the first dot and this is the last dot.
And gonna
Then
go.
the second
So second dot with the.
second last one, third
No,
third
second last dot with the second, third last with the third. And after we do it, you will understand it better. Okay. So that's okay. So one more behind, and okay, that's looking great. So you're gonna do this to all the 4 sectors, and they're gonna make a semicircle or some mat kind of thing. We're gonna make it 3D as I've shown in the thumbnail. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. And
now we're gonna do the same.
now we're gonna go with all the 4 sides. Same thing we will do in every sector. Yes, everything same. First with the last, second last with the second with the second last, third with the third last, and so on. So just fast forward the video until I'm done. So I'm done. It's looking good, but not how I've showed in the thumbnail. So how to make it realistic and kind of 3D like kind of thing? It's very easy by adding shadows. If you are poor in this shades, adding shades and all, no problem. I'm gonna explain you one by one. So we'll take a marker first and color the squares like a chess kind of thing. So we will make it like a chess. You know, one after the alternate. Yes, I know you all know it very well. So let's go until I'm done with this thing. So next thing we're gonna do is add shadows. So we'll take pencils. Okay, we'll be using 2B and many other. Okay, okay, which pencil should I choose? Okay, so we'll be shading them like the part facing to the center will be lighter and the outer part, the opposite side will be darker in the white boxes, and near the center square boxes will be lightly shaded, and towards the end they will be darkly shaded. So let's get into it and start. First we're gonna go by the outline, the shadow of the image. So first I'm using 8B pencil here. The one in my hand is a 8B pencil. So in the center it will be dark and thick kind of thing, and as we go to the ends it will be lighter and kind of fade away. Okay, that's looking great, but we're not gonna stop with this. We also going to use a 2B pencil and a 4B pencil. Yes, 8B, 4B and 2B pencil, and maybe HB also. Go blending the color. The color must not, the shades must not seem different. They must just get blend. For this I don't have a blending tool, so I will be using a cotton bud and okay, instead you can use a finger, but I'm going to use a cotton bud. Comment guys what you think of this and on which topic do you want the next video to be, and if you want more illusion videos you can comment down about it. And if you like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I will blend it properly, and now we'll be adding shadows to all the four sides. The two sides, not the opposite, the sides which are besides each other. Any one more will be dark and the others will be bit lighter. So just fast forward the video till I'm done. So I'm done with it. Now we're gonna add shadows in the white boxes. So that must look good. Yes, it will look good. And the shadows seem too much in some areas, so I tried erasing a few last outlines and then sprayed it again Means it faded out. Now that's looking like some thing. In last I used my fingers. Okay. So I removed a bit of cotton, top cotton, so that I got a clear cotton bud. Okay. And used it using my fingers. It seemed easy than just holding a small cotton bud, and it's a lot more easy. Okay, so just rub it around properly on the surface, and that's looking great. It now I'm making more all the shadows in all the boxes. So let's fast forward the video until I'm done. So I'm done. Now I'll be sharing the boxes. And if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified of all my new videos. And comment, share this video, and if you want more illusion videos, comment that. And on you can also comment on which topic do you want the next video to be, and you can be responsible for my next video. Hope you guys welcome back to my hope you guys thanks for watching, sorry, thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video.